see that. Yeah, you can.
Even with that light. Yeah. Give me that light going.
But we had that big bolt of lightning up there right in the middle of the clouds. Don't know. Every time I stop it, it processes it. That is getting closer. Look how fast that's coming over. Look at how fast that's coming over this way.
What's...
Holy shit. I love that sound.
I remember that at the cottage. I remember that big bolt of lightning right out front there too. You were standing at the door. I saw it in the trees.
Oop, that was a nice bolt.
Oh my god, right down there.
Yeah. Yeah, the lightning's all in behind there, but look at Mitch, how fast that's coming over.
Yeah.
How high up from the tree it is now. Oh, every single one of those flashes was green. Right above the cloud.
It's gonna be rumbling now.
That is wind clouds, Mitch. That is just gonna start hammering us in a minute.
Look at that.
Yep.
You're getting this on camera.
Well,
right?
I am, but you can't really see the line.
I should have brought mine. I don't know if mine would be any better at all, but... Do you know what kind of camera you have on there? What megapixel?
Right now it's on 800 or 600 by whatever for TV, right?
Yeah.
But it'll go to 1024 by 768.
Feel the wind now?
Yeah, I know. I can tell. That's what this is. This is wind. It's the front. So we should be seeing some major lightning now.
Feel it now?
Yeah. Here it comes.
Look at, as soon as it gets over the apartment building, it's gonna start
Yeah.
howling. But like, if you look up, it's all up there and down there now.
Yeah.
But see, the wind is changing direction.
Yeah, it's blowing straight at us now. It was blowing.
Also down there, look, just above the trees.
Yeah.
See
Oh,
that?
I know. Yeah, it's a big line. That's the storm. This is the wind.
So you're saying that all of that lightning that was over there is coming over here.
Oh yeah.
But now I'm just seeing all the lightning.
It's because of the edge. You're at the front of it. So you're getting all the static build up there. You feel the wind?
Yeah.
Oh, if this was daylight, this would look phenomenal.
You gotta point the camera up if you can.
It
like
doesn't work.
No. It sucks.
You have to get lightning to show the clouds.
The outline of it, yeah. That was right around the
Yeah.
Here we go.
I love how the wind, it's right above us now, Mitch. You see how quick that moved in?
Yep.
That was like less than a minute. Oh, come on. Give us a crack of bloody thunder.
Not sure how long we should be standing here for, but...
We'll be fine. Just keep your eye on my hair and I'll keep my eye on yours. Look at the hair on my arm. Standing up. Uh-oh.
What?
The wind. Here it comes.
Look down there as well.
Yeah. Starting to blow over.
Big bolts of lightning just down there.
Maybe I got it. I don't know. I wasn't looking at the camera. Wow.
Wouldn't that be something, man? Another repeat of that August storm last year. The wind's blowing my hair up, though. I don't think it's sticking out.
No, it's not.
It's as if my hair was your hair.
Look at my pants, man. They're just flapping in the breeze.
Oh, now the lightning's over there. See?
Yeah, look at it.
So this thing's right over us.
Yeah,
then.
it's the front. Oh, I got it all.
Oh.
I got it all.
See all those ruffles in the clouds?
Yep. Look at this. The dip in it. Oh, caught that too. Right at the 5-minute mark.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I know, it's That's crazy, Mitch.
I think it's gonna start to rain there shortly.
Yeah, I don't think so yet.
Look at him.
I know. I wish I could see that on here. I'll try zooming in. No, just not. It's too grainy.
You should check the thing then. Maybe there's...
The radar?
Yeah.
No. Oh, Jesus, Mitch. Feel it being sucked in behind you now?
Yeah. My hair's sticking up?
No. Wow, that was blowing right at us, then it went right behind us again.
Oh.
I see
Power.
it. And green. Power just went out?
Nope, power flickered.
Oh.
So, look, that light's off.
Uh-oh. Oh my God, Mitch, look at this.
Yep.
And here comes the wind again. Oh, feel it being sucked back this way again now?
Inwards, yep. And since it's changing direction, maybe watch him. Make sure he doesn't steal it.
Yeah. You're on those clouds there.
Yeah, no, I am. Oh, look at that. Is it showing that?
Yeah. You keep a half-assed eye on him too.
Yep. You see that?
Yep. Nice, it's
Yeah.
getting closer.
I didn't know it was going to come from this direction.
Look.
Yeah.
Look here. How it's circulating. It's all dropping down. And it's even darker. Oh my God, do you see how dark it is over there? This is gonna be massive. We're not missing this one. It's going right over top of us. I wish Em was out here. Tell you what, take my keys, go check the radar. Go check the radar and tell Em it's getting pretty intense. Wait till you see what these clouds look like. It's just green as green. Yeah, Mitch, everything's showing up on here just like I can see it with my eye. But wait till you see these clouds when it lights them up.
Oh yeah, I just saw.
And I swear, there's something dipping down over here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really big on the radar.
Is it purple?
Purple.
Yet? Nice.
Purple lines through it all.
Okay, watch here for the next time. Oh, it's starting to rain. But watch the bottom of the clouds from the light behind it. See it? And you see that V there?
No, yeah. I see it. Just watch your step, eh? Don't stub your toe.
That
hair
is
sticking up?
no.
That would be funny.
That is just one wicked looking cloud.
And I notice now it's just all here.
And look, it's not spreading any farther. Yeah, it's everywhere now. What did Em say when you told her it was getting good?
Oh.
What did you say? Or what did she say?
I said, I went in there, I said, Em, it's getting good. I described that wind thing, right? She's just like,
Oh, really?
yeah. Come get me when it gets really good. I said, it is good. She said the wind woke her up. Because it is actually really windy in her room. All the...
Wow.
What?
Yeah, I wanna open the windows and let the air in. Turn the air conditioner off.
It's funny, the lightning isn't even here yet, but it's right at our doorstep. It's right there.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
How was that? Yeah, keep looking over there.
See that?
Yeah.
I'm looking at the tops of the clouds.
I'm more interested in the bottoms of these ones over here.
What the hell? Oh my
nice.
God!
It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
This is... Look at... The lightning is just...
Oh, I know it'll be here in like 10 minutes.
Rain's gonna pick up after that one.
I know. Oh, listen.
That's close. Good wind going up?
Yeah. It's like going all around.
Oh, wow. Look at the tree.
Yeah. Some more wind clouds at the bottom. There's going to be a good one any second.
Here we go. Starting to rain. I can just see all the reflections in the windows over there too. Hear it?
Mm-hmm.
It's going to start the big heavy drop soon.
Why, you seeing that bee?
Yeah. Right there.
Yep. Oh,
Yeah, I just saw that. Saw it come right down.
look at it right here.
Yeah. Hear it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. That splash of water went over all 4 of my knuckles.
Right here.
Yep. I'm pretty sure it's right on top of us.
I was just going to say, if there was more wind, I would be a little scared right now.
Here we go.
Hey, my windows are open. Oh, no, they're not. Okay.
The other keys on.
Yep. Don't move. Don't go anywhere. It's just the rain. Wow.
That must have been like right there.
Yeah.
All this excitement's gonna put me to sleep.
Here comes the rain again. This is just too calm.
Too calm. Wait till it gets here.
I'm just saying, this is too calm right now. This is going to be a big one. Probably the biggest one this year.
Hear that?
That's the rain, Mitch. Here comes the lightning and the thunder.
Yeah. Look at the wind blowing the rain. Oh. Right in the face.
Keep that open for me. Oh, look at it.
Yep.
It's like snow. It's spinning.
Did you leave any windows open now? Because that wind's going to be blowing the rain in.
No, there's none open.
Emily said to go get it.
Okay, go.
Sure you can hold it? You want the keys?